Hi, welcome to Mercy's in the kitchen. I have a nice recipe I'm going to share with you, and I'm going to make green banana punch. So to make my banana punch, I have 6-finger banana, and I'm going to get it to be cooked before I blend it. And I'm going to use a small amount of water, and the rest what I'm going to use in it is malta to cook it, because when you use the malta have sugar inside of it. So remove that stain from the banana. When you use pure water, the banana have a stain inside of it. So when you use the malta, you don't have that stain inside of your punch when you're making it. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get my banana into the water to be peeled. So I'm going to peel my banana. So I finished to be peeling my banana. I'm going to strain off this water and wash it again and get it to be sliced up to go and cook. And why I slice it up, it's easier to be cooked when you cut it this way. So when you put it into the pot, it's easier to be cooked. As you can see, look on the slice. It's easier to be cooked when you cut it this way. So we have 1 finger leaf. So my pot is on, and I'm going to get in a small amount of water inside of it. Then I'm going to get in the malta. I'm going to get in the banana inside of it for the banana to be cooked. I'm going to allow it to stay there and cook for about 15 minutes for me to get it to be blend. So let me check on it. This is very healthy. Who know that banana have strong iron inside of it? And banana is very healthy for your body. When you use this banana with the malt and whatever I'm going to put inside of it to make this punch. You know, sometimes we have some people work very hard, and we need something to build up our body to be strong. This is what good for you. So we're going to check on it. The banana cook. Yes, and it cook. As you can see, it cook. So I'm going to remove my flames and allow it to be sear and cool before I go and blend it. It finished to be cool. So it's time for me to make my punch. So here is the banana. So I'm going to get in the oats inside of it. I'm going to get in some vanilla. About a tablespoon of vanilla. A teaspoon of rose water. Some molasses. I'm going to put about a teaspoon of molasses. Teaspoon of nutmeg, like a pinch of salt. I'm going to mix in everything. So it's time for me to go now and get it to be blend. So it's time for me to get it into the blender to be blend. I don't want my, take my own little time. It's time to get it to be blend. It finished blend, so it's time to sweeten it now. So this is the way punch look. So it's time for me to be sweetening it. I'm not going to put a lot of milk inside of it because the malta is sweet, and I put a small amount of molasses inside of it. This thing is so wow. Can you punch, man? So I finished to mix out the first milk I put inside of it, so I'm going to taste it and see if it wants any more inside of it. You can take a small amount of milk more inside of it. If you're a person who love, you can put a little bit of white rum inside of it. So I'm going to taste it again and see if it finished to be sweet. I'm not going to put my spoon over it because I already tasted it already. I'll eat some fine ice. So remember to subscribe to my channel if you don't subscribe that yet. And thank you.